Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Fe Skillet. Alright, I'm starting out here in a large skillet I'm preheating, and I have roughly about 2.5 pounds of ground beef. Now this isn't lean ground beef, so I'm going to have to drain off the fat when it's done browning. I'm going to get this down into my skillet. Let me turn my heat up just a hair. And I'm going to go ahead and break up my ground beef, and I'm going to allow it to brown up about halfway. Then we're going to add in some onion. Alright, now that my ground beef is about halfway browned up, I have one medium onion I diced up. I'm going to get that in there. We're going to allow the onion to soften up in with the ground beef while that continues browning. Right now that my ground beef is browned up and my onions are softened, I drained off the excess grease. I'm going to add in 2 cups of water. I'm going to add in 3 cups of salsa, just a 3-cup jar. Just get rid of that. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of chili powder. A teaspoon of salt. And a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I'm going to give that a stir to get everything mixed together. Alright, now I have 2 boxes of pastaroni, I should say, 4-cheese corkscrew pasta. I'm going to take the cheese packets that came with that and sprinkle it into our ground beef mixture. And guys, it's going to be a real quick, easy, and delicious weekday meal when you just get off of work. And you just want to stir this all together. Now guys, you can scale this down to a pound of ground beef, 1 box of pastaroni, 2 cups of salsa, 1 cup of water. You know, you can cut it back for a smaller family or portion. Alright, I'm going to take the corkscrew pasta that came with that and add that in. I'm going to stir that down in there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this up to a gentle simmer, and I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to allow it to simmer for 15 minutes covered, stirring it occasionally, and I might have to add a little extra water as it cooks so it don't cook dry. Alright, my 15 minutes are up, and I had to add another cup of water to this as it cooked because the pasta really drinks up your water. Now to this I'm going to add a 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes. Now if you want yours a little on the hotter side, you could add diced tomatoes with green chilies in them. That would be good. I'm also going to add some black olives in here. This is optional. These are sliced black olives. And you can put as many as you like in or as little as you like in. It's totally up to you. So I'm going to add in let's say about 1/4 cup of black sliced olives. Got one guy in there. I'm going to stir everything around, get it blended together. Okay, now I'm going to take some shredded cheddar cheese. You could also use taco cheese if you like. That would be good on this. And I'm going to put a coating over top. And I have my burner set on simmer. Just want to spread it out nice and even. That looks good. Now I'm going to put my lid back on here and let this sit for just a few minutes to melt that cheese and heat those olives through, and then this will be ready to go. Alright, I let that go for probably 3 or 4 minutes. Cheese is all melted, it's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and I garnished that with some dried chives for a little bit of color. Let me get in here and give this a try. It's really good. Pasta's tender. You get the cheese flavor from the pastaroni. It's cheesy. You get the salsa flavor, chili powder. That's really good, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it, Fe Skillet. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.